Texas has a lot riding on the president's latest Supreme Court nominee. KXAN's Wes Rappaport looks at some of the Texas issues that Judge Brett Kavanaugh could influence if he is confirmed.
I think it's an outstanding pick.
While most Republicans are celebrating, some leaders have reservations.
I might have liked to had perhaps Justice Coney Barrett.
Texas Democrats promised to, quote, fight like hell to stop Judge Brett Kavanaugh's nomination. Right now, there are 4 justices whose opinions tend to be more liberal-leaning and 4 which typically rule more conservatively. Before his retirement, Anthony Kennedy often served as the swing vote, leaning right on campaign spending, voting rights, and gun control. But he landed with the left on abortion, gay rights, and the death penalty. Kavanaugh's potential confirmation would more than likely solidify those conservative values on the high court.
The last time we had such a solid conservative majority on the Supreme Court was the 1930s.
Kavanaugh could wield that influence sooner rather than later if the Supreme Court hears arguments on Texas abortion legislation that Lubbock Senator Charles Perry worked on.
The dismemberment bill that I filed and was passed out of the Senate and House that was ultimately amended in SB 8 reaffirms the right that Texas has to protect its unborn.
The option to access abortion safely and legally is on the line. That is a very clear and present threat with this SCOTUS vacancy.
You're going to see decisions that tend to be more in line with what has become the dominant conservative ideology of the last 30 years. It's going to have an impact on everything from workers' rights to federal regulations of cars, planes, everything around us, privacy and surveillance. Really, it runs the gamut.
Wes Rappaport, KXAN News.
Judge Kavanaugh has some personal ties to Texas. His wife is from the Abilene area, and she graduated from UT Austin. Senator Cornyn said that he anticipates Kavanaugh's confirmation hearings and a Senate vote to take place sometime this fall.